Photosynthesis. 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 Whoa! Whoa! I just need the sun for my chloroplast to make me green. The sun. Inhale oxygen, exhale CO2.
Greetings, autotrophs. Let's go for a stroll.
I know a place where the grass is really greener. Greener. That's all thanks to PS1 and 2. Help from cytochrome, B6F and ATP, synthase, creating ATP. All day. These two photosystems absorb all the light energy through proteins with pigments. Light-dependent reactions begin in PS2. A chlorophyll, a molecule absorbs a photon in the reaction spanner of PS2. An electron in the small attains a higher energy level because the state is unstable. The electron is transferred from one to other molecule, creating a chain of redox called an electron transfer chain. The electron flow goes from PS2 to cytochrome,
B6F.
in PS1. The electron gets the energy
From another photon.
The final electron acceptor is an ATP. The first electron donor is water, creating oxygen as waste in an energetic photosynthesis. Their electron donors are used. Photophosphorylation is B6F and ATP working to create ATP.
Oh yeah!
When cytochrome B6F uses energy of electron from PS2 pump from stoma to lumen. Cytochrome B6F stops production.
Carbon fixation, shun. I hit the floor, next is reduction, shun. I cannot wait for reformation, shun. Let's talk about dark reactions, shuns. Yeah, cause cycle goes on and on and on. Calvin goes on and on and on. Yeah, I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying Calvin cycle. I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying dark reactions, cause we use CO2 to produce glucose. We make carbon chains in the first stage, then in stage 2, these start to change. Organic compounds are produced, and the cycle can now recommence. ATP, what we need. Cellular respiration makes energy. Glucose. Glycolysis to the Krebs cycle. Pyruvate oxidation, electron transport chain. Cellular, my homies, respiration. Cellular, my homies, respiration.
Yo, ATP!
Let's kick it! Glycolysis, baby. Glycolysis, baby. The enzyme hexagonase adds a phosphate to glucose. Add phosphate from ATP, then you have a G6P. Step 2, that G6P rearranged to FCP. Next AP gives phosphate to sugar. This makes F16BP.
Backbone splits, forming 2 3-carbon molecules. Say hello to G3P and 1 temp DHAP. Next DHP mole turns into a twin G3P. These react with NAD to form NADA and BPG.
Glycolysis, baby. Glycolysis, baby.
Four, tres, two, uno.
Listen up, y'all, cause this is a one-step process in the matrix. Woo! One of the 3 carbon atoms that make up pyruvate is taken off by an enzyme called dehydrogenase. This carbon bonds to oxygen, now becomes CO2. Then the other 2 make up an acetyl group. This is the goal, to put pyruvate into grams, producing NADH and FADH2. Where's it happen? In the mitochondria. Now we be lining down the block just to watch what's next. Woo! Grenades.
Oh yeah! Woo! Step 1 is citrate synthase. Step 2, carbon is rearranged. Yeah, dehydrogenase can be so cool.
So cool!
It happens in 4 of 8 stages. Who would have thought that the Krebs cycle would play such a big role? The Krebs cycle! An 8-step catabolic process in the matrix. Each step is catalyzed by a different enzyme. Let's go learn about the next part now. Woo! Woo!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
E, T, C. I was thinking about E, thinking about T, thinking about C. What it all means. It's aerobic respiration's final stage. Bunch of molecules in metal membrane. Cofax from protein gradient catalyzes synthesis of ATP. NADH and FADH2 explained in the last phases to you. Our past to carry molecules kept at low energy levels. Then as it passed from high to low, energy is released to no. Oxygen then accepts electrons at low energy, producing what each NADH that enters the chain forms 3 ATP, FAD222AT. I was thinking about E, thinking about T, thinking about C, and what it all means. It's aerobic respiration's final stage.
Ace the project!
Like a boss, proof connection.
Like a boss!
Photosynthesis!
Like a boss!
Mr. J.
Like a boss! Respiration!
Like a boss. Bio project.
Like a boss!
12 hours filming!
Like a boss!
You better like it. Like a boss.
Dedication!
Like a boss. Perseverance.
Like a boss!
We're so smart!
Like a boss!
Learn so much.
Like a boss! Getting long!
Like a boss. Hope you liked it.
Like a boss!
Should probably stop!
Like a boss!
Okay, peace out.
Okay, bye.
Oh yeah! Stop yeah!